Let's dive straight in, because today we're moving way beyond the standard advice of just getting your 8 hours of shut-eye. Instead, we're talking about taking actual control of your biological clock. It's a phenomenon known as the midnight reset. And trust me, understanding this completely transforms how your cells fight the aging process while you sleep.
So you might want to ask yourself, are you actually missing out on this? You see, truly optimized sleep isn't just about resting. It is a highly active phase for DNA repair. And it's all guided by your circadian rhythm. If you're just, falling unconscious at the end of the day without properly priming your system, you're entirely missing your body's midnight reset. The result? You end up waking up carrying a serious amount of biological debt.
Now, this whole repair process hinges on something absolutely crucial called the CIRP protein. You can kind of think of it as your body's elite team of first responders. This cold-activated protein literally rushes in to seamlessly fix dangerous double-strand DNA breaks, which, by the way, are a massive driver of aging. But what's really fascinating is that CIRP also acts as a master regulator of your cellular circadian rhythms, keeping your internal clock perfectly synced.
Let's put this into perspective. Without enough CIRP, standard human DNA repair is, well, it's pretty messy. You lose information, and that directly drives cellular aging. But CIRP-boosted cells, they achieve completely flawless repair with incredible genomic stability. It's actually the exact same genetic trick perfected by the 200-year-old bowhead whale. And the best part is, science proves that we can trigger this exact same superpower in our own bodies.
Okay, so how do we actually produce this elite repair crew? It's simpler than you might think. Brief cold exposure. A quick cold shower is the perfect environmental catalyst. It essentially sends a signal telling your biology to just flood your system with maximum CIRP production, totally priming your cells for that deep nocturnal repair.
But hold on, you can't just jump into a cold shower and expect miracles overnight. For the midnight reset to work, you have to halt daytime oxidative stress and really support your cellular mitochondria. Most importantly, though, your nervous system absolutely must be completely calmed down. If you're trapped in a state of high alert, your biological clock is simply never going to enable that flawless DNA repair protocol.
So what's the clinical fix to actually calm that system down? Well, it all comes down to a highly precise daily biological anchor. We are talking about exactly 2 milliliters.
That 2 milliliters comes straight from VILAVI T8 EXTRA 90%. Packed with the SibXP Complex, its real superpower here is the highly bioavailable magnesium. It literally flips your nervous system switch right from stress to a deep, restorative calm. It's the absolute perfect way to set the stage for elite nervous system support and ultimately, elite sleep. So let's bring it all together. Here is your highly actionable elite sleep protocol. Step 1. Brief cold exposure to trigger that all-important CIRP production. Step 2. Take your 2 milliliters of T8 Extra 90% to deliver that crucial nervous system calming magnesium. And Step 3. Get that deep sleep, letting the midnight reset step in and execute flawless nocturnal DNA repair.
The main takeaway here is simple. Master your biological clock. The midnight reset really is your ultimate defense against cellular aging. You now have the complete blueprint in your hands. So, I'll leave you with this question. How will you optimize your own cellular repair tonight?